Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Wevolve box for the month of January 2020. This is an every other month box. I love that. That's very beautiful. Can I get her out of there without ruining her? Let's see. Yeah. And they try to tell you in advance what the theme's going to be so you can decide like if you want it or not. Le Tarot de Bohemians. So this is the art, but also the information card. That's what it is. The Modern Witches Tarot deck. It's big. Wow. Cool. Very cool. It's all women and tons of people of color. Tons of women of color. I don't know how I feel about an all-women deck, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's probably going to be, ooh, dupe sticks. Interesting. It's probably going to be great. Look at this beautiful pen with a little snake head. Very cool. Oh my god. Perfect. It's Florida water. I've been wanting some for my bones. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Ooh, it smells so spicy and gross. But yay. Blended in small batches by hand. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Woo. Yay. Going straight to my bones. By the Raven Moon Emporium, and so I'm pretty excited about that. Very excited about that. It's kind of heavy. Oh wow, wow! I don't even have the shape selenite. Nice. What do we have here? Oh, a book so you can write your little tarot notes in them. Nice. And it's a beautiful book. Lovely. It's got a nice, lovely matte exterior. Nice pages. Very, very pretty. This is a hell of a box. Wow, you hit it out of the park. Wevolve, you hit it out of the park. I usually like their boxes. And I like that they kind of let you know what the theme's going to be, so you can be like, oh, I'm not super into that, and then you don't have to get that one. You could just hold the subscription that cycle. It's because it's every other month, so it's not every month, so you kind of like, you don't get quite as inundated with things, but they're usually really nice. So let's see. Tarot, the esoteric box, the magic of tarot. Tarot is an ancient form of divination that's making a major comeback, and it is a mystical way to connect with your inner wisdom, your guides, and your ancestors. Reading the cards can provide guidance on everyday situations, as well as help you understand what needs to shift in your life so that you can impact your reality in a meaningful way. The Modern Witch Tarot by Lisa Sterle. A fresh take on the original Rider-Waite deck. Using familiar imagery and style, this deck is a great way to learn the common tarot symbology while being able to actually identify with the cast of characters. This deck is brand new on the scene, being released at the tail end of 2019, and is destined to become a modern classic. I actually saw a couple of friends do this, but the first person I saw do this was a Kaylee Sunflower. And I noticed that there was no dude. There's no dudes. There's no dudes in this deck. Even the kings of the suits are ladies. But they still seem to represent the energy. It's just very interesting. The Writer's Notebook by Ashley Woodson Bailey. Logging and journaling your readings is a great way to reflect on previous readings, learning the meanings of cards, and to save your favorite spreads. Start is by selecting a random card at the beginning of the day and writing your thoughts about the meaning or imagery. At the end of the day, take another look at the card in your journal entry and notice if you see any connections on how your day unfolded. Rose Gold Snake Pen Snake is symbolic of transformation and awakening, and every goddess needs an awesome pen to write down all the magic. Florida Water by Raven Moon Moonlight Botanicals. Florida water was first introduced in the United States in 1808 and has been a staple in the rituals of many spiritual traditions for the last 200 years. Used in a similar way, a sage smudging by spraying around your sacred space, on your hands, and your aura/self to clear the energy before reading the cards. Selenite Plate. This magical stone has clearing, cleansing, and amplifying properties. It's a perfect tool for clearing and charging your deck between readings. A stone closely associated with the moon is great to keep nearby when performing any form of divination, as it assists with the opening of the third eye and connection with intuition. Selenite is also great for cleansing crystals and amplifying intentions. Girl, you hit it out of the park. Lilani, you hit it out of the park. This is a good box. Very useful, very practical, but still very like very cool. I love it. So that's it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Hello Box. I'm going to leave a description below. This is every other month box by Wevolve, the esoteric box, and she kind of lets you know what's coming so you can decide if you're into that theme or not. I actually skipped the one before this because I was already inundated with divination. But I'm glad I got this one. Anyways, love you guys so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.